right when you were coming on, so he should be joining.
Okay. Okay.
He's saying he's in the waiting area.
It's there. Oh, who is that? Okay, let me get back to the. Okay. Okay. All right. There's Mr. Rhodes and there's Mr. Prothero. Okay, very good. I think everyone is in now.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. All right, very, very good. So he's no, I let him in.
Judge Dallas, good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning. Yes. How are you?
Good morning. Fine, and you?
Good, good, good. Thank you. All right. All right. There's Attorney Prothero. Let's see. Looks like we have everyone that we need. Is it? Okay. Let's go ahead and call the calendar. Good morning.
Morning.
So this is Clayton County Superior Court bond hearing calendar. I'm Judge Dallas, sitting by designation on this 17th day of April 2020. I have on my calendar State versus Jeffrey Beans.
Yes, ma'am.
That defendant's out on bond.
Okay.
He's out on bond.
Okay.
Okay.
Withdraw our motion.
Very good. State versus Randy Brown.
Yes, ma'am. That's my case as well. And let's see, we'd like to be heard on Mr. Brown's motion to reduce his bond.
Okay. State versus Rashay Conley.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You ready
Yes,
to proceed, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State's ready?
Yes.
Okay. State versus Deborah Corbicero.
We're going to withdraw that motion, Your Honor. She is homeless and she's awaiting placement in a drug court.
Okay.
Okay.
So in other words, so she's not out on bond.
No, ma'am. She's still in, but she's awaiting a placement in drug court. So I've already talked to her.
Okay. Very, very good. State versus Brittany Lloyd.
Yes, Your Honor. We would be ready, but I did receive an offer for a reduction from Ms. Freeman yesterday. There was no slots available to visit with my clients, so I need to talk to her and to my other client.
Okay, that'd be good. And so what I'll do is, this is how typically I'll call the calendar, just like in a normal courtroom setting. And then when you want to pre-trial the case with any of the attorneys want to pre-trial, myself, Ms. Myers and I, we will mute ourselves. We'll turn off our video rather, and turn down the speaker so we don't hear you. And that way we can do as much as we can to give you the privacy pre-trial.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes,
And then, and also just for the record, myself and Ms. Brookins, my victim advocate, we leave the meeting. So you can have that confidentiality. And we just come back after, I guess it'll be Ms. Skull or someone to text me when we can come back.
Okay, so Mr. Rhodes is out here and I'm just letting him in. There he is. Good morning, Mr. Rhodes.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you. State versus Darrell Williams.
Yeah, that's my take. Yeah.
Perfect timing. And are you ready for the bond motion?
Yeah. Well, yeah, we're ready. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So it looks like, let's see, there's another one behind here. Nope. So it looks like we've got State versus Brown is we're working on some things on the State versus Randy Brown. Is that going to be a hearing? Attorney?
If we could have a brief pre-trial with the state, I think we might be able to work something out.
Okay, so Brown is a pre-trial, and then Conley is a definite hearing. Lloyd is a pre-trial as well, Attorney Skull.
Pardon? Judge?
Montavious Darden is also on the calendar.
Yes, Judge, I have Montavious Darden also.
Okay, I apologize. I crossed through that for some reason. Montavious Darden, what is your announcement on that, Counselor?
Trial, Judge.
Pre-trial, okay. and then Darrell Williams. You want a pretrial, Attorney Rhodes, or are you ready for the hearing?
Actually, yeah, let me pre-try that for a moment.
Okay.
Judge, excuse me.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have Darden. I have he had a consent bond sent on 4/15 on the calendar.
And I thought so too, because that's why I crossed through it. Octavius Darden.
Oh, okay.
Ms. Freeman, can you check? And I crossed through and I wrote, thank you for bringing that to my attention, Ms.
You're
Martin.
welcome.
I wrote
He may have hired somebody and not notified me, but he's still showing as in the jail at 7,500, which was the original bond, so. Used.
I tell you what, while we take this break, if Ms. Freeman, if you can check and see if there's anything in your paperwork or anything that you have access to that indicates where Mr. Darden is, then we'll revisit that issue.
I'll double check, because when I looked before, I remember doing a bond on a different Darden, but not Montavious.
Okay.
But I'll go back through what I have to double check.
His
Okay.
brother is in, that's Markel Darden, and then I think, I'm not sure the last names, but there were some other family members that were arrested with him.
Mhm.
There may be multiple Dardens.
Wow. All right, so I'm going to take a brief, and then as we do, Ms. Freeman, if you would text me, let me know. Well,
Yes.
if let Ms. Freeman know to come back in, and she'll text me to let me know to come back in and to join back, we'll resume the hearing, the bond hearing, as soon as all the trials have happened. Mr. Prothro, you're always ready. I certainly respect and admire your state of readiness. Only one ready this morning, sir. So we're gonna have to just put you on pause for a second, all right?
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, sir. All right, so I'm leaving the meeting. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the YouTube, put that on pause.